Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Unix programming. In this video we are going to discuss about the basic commands that we have left over in our previous video. In this video we are going to cover these commands. See here, these are the list of the commands that I am going to cover in this video. So let's get started. So first command is alias. This command has been left over in my previous video, which I did a small mistake while assigning the command to a particular user defined string, so that I corrected it and I found what the error was encountered. So now let us see the command usage. So here clear is the functionality. I mean, it is used to clear the terminal screen. If you ever got any output on the terminal screen, the uh, clear command will help to clear out the or to clean the output that is present on our terminal. So let me use, I'm going to change the command format of clear to CLS. In order to change that, you need to use alias CLS equal to clear. So here the existing variable should be assigned to user defined variable. Let us consider like that. So here the clear will be assigned to this. The clear command functionality will be exported to this. So whenever if we hit CLS, then the functionality that is existed for clear will be executed, so that it is easy to filter out the commands that one who is compatible with. So see here, let me produce some output. Sorry, wait a minute. See here, this is the output that we have generated in our terminal. So let me clear the terminal using the CLS command. CLS. See here, we successfully converted our clear command formatted to CLS. So if you want to change any other command format to another one, so you need to do this alias your user command equal to existing, means default existing command, so that it will help you to change the command format. See, in previous I used CLS, so the CLS will be the user command and the clear is the existing command, so that the clear command functionality will be shifted to our CLS. So when I hit CLS, then the functionality that is existed to the clear command will be executed. So that is the main usage of it. But whenever if you restart the terminal, then these commands will be erased, and if you want to again assign, then you can use this alias. See, this is a note. The command won't be registered as the commands are system variables, are and you need to do some privilege escalations like that in order to change the commands. So if you use this also, then if you use this, the command will be only volatile, and if you restart the terminal, then that command won't be in that form. You need to again hit this alias command. So this is the thing that I want to say when you are dealing with alias command. So here this is the cat. It is a command which is used to view a file. So let me create a file. Okay. So for creating the file, you need to use vi editor. So but there are so many commands to create, but we are going to use vi text editor. So before going to create, I am navigating to desktop. So let me create vi some x. File name is some x, and here you need to hit I in order to change the mode to insert. See here in desktop, in desktop the file will be created. Hi guys, the content of the file can be written by our bold keyboard. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. After typing your input, you need to press escape. So then here the insert mode will be vanished here, and then you need to press shift plus shift colon. Here it will prompt you like this. Then you need to use WQ. You need to hit WQ, work done and quit. I mean this output will be saved to that file. And if you want to view the file means you need to use cat sumx. See here, this is our content that I had entered in our sumx file. And if you want to append any data, if you want to append any data, you can use vi text editor like this sumx, and you can again go to insert mode, and then you can add or append any new data like this. But we can do this so by using cat, also by using greater than symbol sumx. Welcome to our channel. Okay, do subscribe. Okay, and hit Control plus Z. It will forcefully quit from the program. And again, if you view the file, do subscribe. Here the output, I mean the input will be the input will be overwritten to the existing one. Use this to greater than symbol, then we can append to the data. Cat sumx to our channel is our new input. Control Z. And now if you view the output, then see here, do subscribe and to our channel will be combined and the output will be printed. So this is how we need to use the cat command. And more, it is also used to view the files, but in addition to this, it will provide a scrolling feature. So we won't use this at anymore. I mean, use much times. We will use this cat command only in order to view the files. And here head will returns the first 10 lines of the content in the file. So if you hit head sumx, it will return the first 10 lines of our file. So even if it is a small, I mean our content present in our file is very small, so that the whole content is getting printed. And if you hit tail, the syntax for tail is tail sumx. It will print the last 10 lines of the content that you had mentioned to this tail command. So this is the syntax for more head tail, and for which purpose vi is used. And if you want to know, see, wc command is used to print the word content, words count sumx. See here, you will get three things as an output. One is number of lines, another one is our sentences, and third one is our letters, how many letters present in the content in the file. See here, it is presented with 2 lines, so we got the output as 2. And here the sentences are 5, 1 2 3 4 5, so that we got 5 sentences. Here we got the output as 5, and here we used the totally 28 characters, so the 28 will be the output, and the sumx is nothing but as file name. So this is how the wc command will be used. And NL is used to get the number of lines that is present in our file. See here, it will append the line number to each line to the file, and this is how we use NL command in order to represent the line. See here, ch mode is one of the funniest command, and it will be more confusion when you are allocating permissions. So basically there are 2 types of allocations by using octal notations, and another one is symbolic notations. Here we are going to deal with octal notations. Okay, let me see that. If you want to see permissions that are allocated to a file, you need to hit ls minus al. See here, this is the permissions that we have allocated to some X file. See, these first 3 bits are allocated for the user level, and next 3 bits are used for allocating the permissions to group level, and another the last 3 bits are used to allocate permission for owner level. So octal notations. See, one for number 1 for execute, number 2 for write, number 3 for read. And if you want to allocate all permissions, suppose if I want to allocate, sorry, here this is 4, so 4 2 1. If you want to allocate read write execute to our sumx file, then you need to sum those 3 numbers, 4 plus 2 plus 1. What is the sum of these 3 numbers? Be equal to 7. So that you need to use 777. So I mean chmod 7. See, first 7 represents the permission to user level, and second 7 represents the user permission to group level. Third bit is used to represent the permission to owner level, and your file name. Let us check. See here, read write execute, read write execute, read write execute. So all 3 level users got permission. I mean all users got permission of read write execute. And if you want to change the permissions to 7, means only we are giving the permissions to user level, and we are going to deny for all levels. And let us check it. ls minus al. See here, we allocated permissions only for user level, and remaining levels are left over. So this is how we need to deal with our chmod using this octal notations. And if you want to deal with symbolic notations, this is execute, read, write. So if you want to do that, a plus x, a for all, u for user level, g plus group level. So like that you can do that. Or if you want to allocate all permissions, I mean execute permissions to everyone, so you need to use this chmod plus x sum x. And if you again see this, the execute permission has been allocated to all level. So this is how you will allocate the permissions using chmod. If you want to know more about the symbolic notations, I will give the link in the description. The video will be lengthy if I explain these all things. And rm, and finally rm is to delete a file. Rm file name sumx. Okay, see, the sumx has been removed from desktop, even the file has been deleted. And cls for clear, because I already shifted the functionality from clear to cls, so that is why we got the permissions like this. I mean we clear the screen by using cls screen. See, this is what all I got for this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. It will help me to do more videos, and it will motivate me. Thank you. Have a great day.